Every so often, you need a way to quickly record project progress and reschedule incomplete work. Suppose your project was put on hold for a few months, and you want to reschedule the unfinished work now that the project has resumed. Another alternative is to tell Project to record progress as if everything happened just the way you planned. Well, to reschedule work, go to the Project tab, and then click Update Project. Then, in the Update Project dialog box, select the option for Reschedule Uncompleted Work to Start After. Then you enter the date that you want to resume. So in this case, let's say it's December 1st of 2014. I'm going to reschedule the entire project, so that means anything that's incomplete will get rescheduled. When I click OK, you can see that there are gaps. And if I scroll over, when we get to December 1st, you can see the taskbars start to reappear. So everything is rescheduled to start at December 1st. When you use this approach, you need to check your schedule specifically for manually scheduled tasks, because you'll have to move those. You might also want to save a new baseline to reflect the new dates. We covered saving a baseline when we talked about saving baselines. Now there's another way to update a project. It's kind of the big hammer approach to bringing a project up to date. It really only works if your project is mostly on track, because it says everything happened the way you planned it. I'm going to use a different project for this one. So on the View tab, I'll go select that project. Then the next thing you do is you select the tasks that you want to update. So in this case, I'm going to select from Task ID 11 down to the milestone for phone lines ordered. One thing to notice is that that last milestone, phone lines ordered, is set to happen on September 30th. Well, now I go to the Project tab, and I need to set the status date. So I'm going to choose September 26th. What I'm going to do here is update the project through September 26th, as if everything happened the way it was scheduled. So in this case, I click Update Project. And you can see that the option Update Work as Complete Through is selected, and that's what you want. And the status date is already in place. Now what happens is Project updates the tasks that are scheduled to start before this status date. But you can see that there are two options. The first one, set 0% to 100% complete, means it will update every task, whether it's unstarted, or it's complete, or it's somewhere in between. But the other option, set 0% or 100% complete only, means it will handle unstarted tasks and complete tasks, but it leaves anything that's in progress alone. So we'll select that one, and then click OK. Now one thing you can notice here is that Inventory Office was in progress. It had 30% complete. And you can see from the change highlighting that it wasn't changed. On the other hand, Review Phone System Requirements is complete because it was supposed to complete before the status date, and it changed to 100%. Order New Phone Numbers is scheduled after the status date, so it's still 0%. If you don't need accurate values for billing customers or paying contractors, you can update your project in a hurry with a few handy shortcuts. Once you're caught up, you can go back to recording progress as usual.